Hey guys, this is Max Van with Racer Gloves USA, and today I'm going to talk to you about my crash-tested Racer Hyper Gloves. Alright, so I started wearing these Hyper Gloves earlier in the year, racing in the MotoAmerica Supersport Championship. Right here, I have a set of the Hypers in white black, and as you can see, they are looking great still. Two weekends in, no crashes, fortunately, but let's talk about a set that I have crashed in twice now. So, here I have a set of the Hypers in the all black colorway. One crash happened at Laguna Seca going into Rainy Curve, and another crash happened at Mid-Ohio going into Thunder Valley. That was a fun one. But here, let's talk about the key protection points on the glove and why I love them. A big thing for me is when I look for in a race glove, I need to have some sort of palm slider, whether it's on the inner or outer palm or both, because, the bones in your hand are pretty weak, and also when you crash, you tend to brace yourself for impact, and that is using your hands. Maybe you want to save your beautiful showy helmet. And let's say if your glove didn't have palm sliders, it's not the end of the world, but let's just say leather and concrete or asphalt don't tend to mix very well. They can tend to rip, slide, or tear at the seams. And let's just see here, the Knox SPS palm sliders definitely did their job. These gloves also have hard knuckle protection. Knuckles right here, and then also down the fingers. There is some slide damage right here, also a little bit down the fingers, but it's hard to see. And this glove does have the pinky bridge, of course. It stretches a good amount, which is nice because some people can be very picky about that, but that can also help because, again, trying to brace yourself for impact, your pinky usually stretches a little more than the rest of your fingers, and that can tend to break, and some people have ripped theirs off. Sorry, Roger Hayden, if you're watching this. Another key point on the glove is it has a hard all in the slider going down the forearm. As you can see here, my right glove definitely has some damage, but no tears. Everything held up great. I am, of course, going to continuously wear these gloves next year again in the MotoAmerica Supersport season. These gloves retail at $259.99, which is a very reasonable price, especially for the technology in this glove. It's got great perforation, great protection, honestly, everywhere and anywhere you can look for. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments, or you can email me at max@racerglovesusa or maxvan@sportbiketracker.com.